What if you can live in Scottsdale's most desirable neighborhood? Just minutes from amazing hiking trails, award-winning restaurants, world-class golf, the freeway, and so much more. Welcome to McDowell Mountain Ranch. This beautifully maintained single-level home offers an ideal balance of convenience, lifestyle, and comfort here in the heart of North Scottsdale. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, vaulted ceilings, and an open concept floor plan. Timeless finishes include tumbled travertine flooring, stainless steel appliances, and spacious primary suite with a soaking tub and walk-in closet. This home has been thoughtfully updated with newer roof and AC replacement, updated window treatments, and a beautiful low-maintenance yard. The backyard offers privacy, mature landscaping, and multiple shaded areas, creating a peaceful outdoor retreat, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. One of the best parts of living here is the lifestyle. You're surrounded by scenic hiking and biking trails, community pools, tennis and pickleball courts, golf, top-rated Scottsdale schools, and some of the best dining and shopping North Scottsdale has to offer. If you've been searching for the perfect combination of lifestyle, condition, and location, this home definitely checks all the boxes. Message me for a private tour.